Welcome back to our series on, what would your blender ask? Coaching wisdom from the kitchen, where we use everyday kitchen objects as metaphors for questions we should be asking ourselves for our work in life. And today, we got this guy. You recognize what this is? A steamer. And so I want you to ask yourself, what makes me steaming mad? And if for those of you who think to yourself, well, I don't want to think about what makes me mad, I want to push you on that a little bit. I want you to know that when we are feeling mad, it's data that's pointing us towards information around something we care about or something that we value that isn't getting met. And so when you think about what makes you steaming mad, it reminds you, of what feels important to you. So I'm going to talk about what makes me steaming mad. I have a few, but the one I'm going to talk about now is lateness. When I have an appointment and somebody is late, I get disproportionately upset because in my mind, I interpret it as a lack of respect for my time. And so then I'm really mindful in communicating with somebody that I'd really like them to be there on time, or if something's going to interfere, please let me know so that I'm not steaming mad. Stay tuned for our next video in the series.